Hi, my name is Emanuele Santoiaia. I'm a student of the Sapienza University and I'm attending a master's degree in engineering and computer science. The goal of this video is to demonstrate the functioning of the system developed for the fourth assignment of the IoT 2020 course. This is the cloud-based system architecture. Here we have a smartphone that, thanks to the generic sensor API, manages to send the data of the accelerometer, in particular the data of the linear acceleration sensor, that are the same as the accelerometer but not considering the component of gravity. The data once arrived at ThingsBoard are processed in the rule chain to understand if the user is moving, and then sent to the dashboard where the processed data will be displayed. This is the architecture of the age-based system. Here we have a smartphone that, thanks to the generic sensor API, takes the accelerometer data, in particular the data of the linear acceleration sensor, and processes them to understand if the user is moving. The data is then sent to ThingsBoard, which will have the task of showing them on the dashboard where they will be displayed. Now, I will show you the functioning of the model. The sensor data are coordinates that represent the acceleration vector that, at the moment, is imprinted on the smartphone. So, to understand if the user who has the smartphone in his hand is moving, just calculate the length of the vector and compare it with the threshold value. If the length will be less than a threshold value, it will mean that the user is not moving, while if the length is greater than a threshold value, it will mean that is moving. To build the system described, follow the hands-on tutorial linked in the description. Now I will show you the practical operation of the WebApp. As you can see, the model can recognize when I walk and when I stand still. Obviously, the accuracy of the model varies according to the sampling frequency and the threshold value set. The WebApp, in addition to showing the live result on the screen, sends the data to ThingsBoard, especially to two devices. The first is the cloud device, where the unprocessed data arrives, and the second is the edge device, where the processed data arrives. When the data arrives at the cloud device, ThingsBoard processes it and stores the movement data. Then the data is shown on the dashboard. You can see the dashboard from the link in the description. The WebApp code is available on my GitHub repo linked in the description. Thanks for watching.